In the ancient city of Cyprus around 300 BCE, a prosperous trader named Zeno faced a life-altering event during a voyage from Phoenicia to Piraeus. His boat sank, and with it, all his cargo disappeared. This sudden loss, beyond anyone's control, transformed Zeno from wealth to poverty in an instant. How would one react to such a catastrophic turn of events? The average person might succumb to anger, sadness, or a sense of injustice. However, Zeno, the progenitor of Stoicism, approached his predicament with a unique perspective. Stoicism, originating in ancient Greece and further developed in Rome, is a philosophy founded by Zeno of Citium and propagated by influential thinkers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius. It delineates a path to virtuous and fulfilling living through the cultivation of wisdom, self-discipline, and resilience in the face of life's challenges. While the popular perception of Stoics may be individuals seemingly impervious to emotional extremes, the essence of Stoicism extends far beyond emotional detachment. It is a comprehensive worldview, a way of life with enduring relevance. Zeno, inspired by the works of Socrates and other philosophers, emphasized that while external circumstances are often beyond our control, our reactions to them lie within our sphere of influence. Instead of lamenting over spilled milk, or, in Zeno's case, drowned goods, he advocated for maintaining composure, staying calm and neutral in the face of adversity. Stoicism, as conceived by its early practitioners, was not confined to select individuals but was openly shared in public spaces, fostering a belief that Stoic principles could benefit everyone, from slaves to emperors. Prominent Stoics like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius exemplified the philosophy in their lives. The Stoic commitment to unity and equality was evident in their opposition to segregation and their coining of the term cosmopolitan, emphasizing being citizens of the world. Even in a time when women were barred from pursuing philosophy, Stoics like Musonius Rufus championed the idea that virtue and philosophical pursuit were not exclusive to men. Stoicism's enduring appeal lies in its ability to help individuals navigate the complexities of life. In a world fraught with unexpected challenges, Stoicism provides tools to process negative emotions arising from adverse experiences, transforming them into perspectives that grant a unique understanding of the world. The philosophy encourages the expectation of adversity, teaching that preparing for life's hardships can foster mental resilience. One noteworthy Stoic exercise is voluntary discomfort, designed to enhance gratitude by deliberately subjecting oneself to challenging situations. By withstanding discomfort, individuals develop mental fortitude, preparing themselves for future adversities. In a contemporary context dominated by materialism and external pressures, Stoicism's emphasis on internal value and detachment from external outcomes becomes increasingly relevant. Stoicism underscores the importance of managing expectations and internalizing one's value. Instead of seeking fulfillment through external possessions or societal validation, Stoics advocate for a focus on self-improvement for its intrinsic value. External factors, whether a fancy car or societal expectations, are transient and subject to failure. Seneca's counsel to learn to live with less encourages individuals to create space for meaningful pursuits by eschewing excessive materialism. The dichotomy of control, a fundamental Stoic principle, urges individuals to distinguish between what is within their control and what is not. Epictetus articulates the chief task in life as identifying and separating matters to clarify the extent of control. Stoicism teaches that attaching one's happiness to external factors relinquishes control to unpredictable forces. The philosophy's enduring relevance is evident in its influence on modern therapeutic approaches like rational emotive behavioral therapy and logotherapy. Rational emotive behavioral therapy, REBT, rooted in Stoic principles, helps individuals identify and challenge negative thought patterns, fostering healthier beliefs. Logotherapy, aligned with Stoic views on purpose, emphasizes finding meaning even in adverse circumstances. Stoicism's emphasis on self-worth, control over one's reactions, and internal fulfillment remains a guiding principle for navigating life's challenges and pursuing lasting happiness. The four cardinal virtues of Stoicism, wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice, constitute a framework for virtuous living. Wisdom involves discerning between internal and external factors and choosing one's response. Courage, encapsulated in persist and resist, encourages resilience in the face of challenges. Temperance advocates doing more with less, emphasizing essential needs over excess. Justice, the most vital virtue, promotes altruism and refrains from causing harm to others. Nelson Mandela's adoption of Stoic values during his 27-year imprisonment exemplifies the philosophy's real-world impact. Rather than seeking retribution upon his release, Mandela urged reconciliation and rebuilding, emphasizing the Stoic principle that the past is beyond one's control, and the focus should be on moving forward. Stoicism's influence extends beyond personal philosophy, resonating in modern therapeutic practices and serving as a timeless guide for navigating life's uncertainties. In conclusion, Stoicism offers a timeless and comprehensive philosophy for virtuous living. Its principles, rooted in ancient wisdom, provide practical tools for managing emotions, cultivating resilience, and finding fulfillment in a volatile world. From Zeno's Stoic response to personal adversity to the enduring influence on figures like Nelson Mandela, Stoicism remains a beacon of wisdom, offering insights that transcend time and continue to guide individuals toward a life of purpose and equanimity.